So today we will talk about law of attraction. So everybody knows about it, but nobody likes to talk about it. So if you think that this is a stupid idea, law of attraction, then best of luck to you and sorry for wasting your very precious time. But if you want to hear it once before it is too late, then this video is for you. So welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about law of attraction and how you can use it, but you have to use it silently. You cannot tell it to anyone else because I will tell you how stupid this idea sounds, but how useful it can be if you implement it silently. Okay, so first of all, what is this law of attraction? So you just need to understand that our brain is just like a magnet. So whenever we think about something, we draw that thing closer to us. The more you think about something, the more it comes closer to us. So our brain is just like a magnet. So if you're thinking about taking a bulb, then you will eventually go and buy that bulb. If you're thinking about taking some books, you will eventually after 2 3 days go and buy that. So, and for example, in childhood, maybe you have thought about clearing IIT exam just like me. And eventually, if you don't make it, then somehow you will find a way to get into that IIT campus. So, our brain is just like a magnet. And the more you think about something, the more you draw it closer to you. This is the simple idea of law of attraction. But you have to implement it silently. So even Einstein and other famous scientists used this law of attraction to achieve very great things. We all know how great Einstein was. So Einstein told that everything is energy and that's all there is to it. So we need to vibrate with the energy of this universe. And when this vibration resonates, something magical comes out. So now let's take some example. For example, when I was child, not too child, but I was in my first year of engineering. Okay, so I went to my friend's room. So this is me and this is my friend. So and he was playing FIFA game. FIFA is a soccer game which we play by controllers. So he had a very good gaming laptop and we enjoyed that game on his gaming laptop. But when I came to my room, I missed playing that game. And because that laptop was very uh, costly, I couldn't afford it that time. But eventually, after 6 or 7 months, I convinced my parents that a good laptop with a good processor and good graphics card will help me to solve CFD problems like advanced computational fluid mechanics problems and like advanced simulations, which will be very helpful for my studies. But eventually, I just wanted to play this game. So once I started thinking about this game, like I have to buy this laptop to play this game, my brain gave me lots of ideas how I can get this PC in order to play this game. So I made lots of reasons to my parents, and eventually I got this PC. So another example I can take, like in my childhood, I had a dream of IIT to crack IIT. I prepared for JEE Advance, but I failed badly because I can't show my result card to you. It was so bad, and I was devastated by the experience. I was very like that time was the most blackest time in my entire childhood. Even like for 2 days I had nothing to do. I was just crying day night. But then I prepared for gate exam, for post graduation exam, and eventually I cracked that exam and got into IIT. So again same thing, this IIT thing was in my head and my brain was trying to attract it again and again. What happens, but let's think, even if I was not able to crack the gate exam, then I would go for PhD because I need to clear IIT. Because my brain is keep on giving me ideas how I can get into IIT by different routes. For example, I was not able to clear PhD also, not GATE, not PhD, not IIT, JEE Advanced. Then what would happen? Then I would do USA, like a master's in maybe PhD from USA in order to get into IIT as a professor. But once this idea comes, once your brain thinks about something, it's just like magnet. The more it will give you roots to get to that thing. So this is the law of attraction. So you just need to think how. For example, if you need to achieve, you need to crack an exam, for example UPSC exam, you just need to say your brain that I am going to become an IAS officer, and like I have to do this, I have to do that, and rest ideas your brain will give, like how you should study, how you should plan, everything which comes as a part of this process. Universe will hint you that you need to follow this, you need to do test series, you need to understand every concept properly. Vikas Devriyakirti or any teachers reels that you are seeing, it will help you in some way. For example, you are preparing for gate exam, then in that case also your brain will keep on giving ideas. So once you think about something, it will, your brain will attract that thing. So that's the like thing. So you can implement it lots of, in other way also, like you want to purchase a bike, you want to purchase a very like 5 crore flat. So now maybe you are not able to afford that, but once you think about it, the more you think about it, the more you get it. So that's the like theory behind law of attraction. So you can practically implement this theory, you can think in this way. So now the final thing, you cannot speak about it to anyone. So we are all fan of Steve from Game of Thrones, sorry, Stranger Things. So everyone likes Steve, but no one loves Steve. It means that everybody knows this law of attraction. Okay, everybody knows, but nobody likes to talk about it. Why? Because it is a stupid idea, a stupid idea which works. So this law of attraction is a stupid idea, but it works. So what you need to do, you need to be silent, you need to keep it to yourself. You don't have to tell your friend that I am thinking to buy a flat 5 crore rupees in, for example, 2 years by this law of attraction method. If you tell me also about it, it will sound foolish, it will sound stupid. How can somebody get something just by thinking? So you have to be silent about it. That's why the video topic is how to implement law of attraction silently. So that's everything I had to say. I can like give lots of other examples also. You can think of many examples from your own life. Maybe you are good in maths because you keep on thinking that you are good in maths. Maybe you are bad in some subject because you keep on thinking that you are very bad in that subject. So just whatever you think multiplies. So that's law of attraction. So I hope that I was able to teach you something. If even a single person is benefiting from this video, I would think that this is a complete success to me. And for others who know it already, so like you may rehear it, or I know you are doing good in your life already. Like from, if you know it like 2 years before, then you are already very too much ahead in your life. And if you are knowing this right now, then you need to start implementing this, you need to start thinking in this way. So that's all from my today video. So thank you.